I'm just going to walk you through how the 5 days is going to evolve. So we're going to first start off with, the basic theme, that is data science. And we would try to introduce our, the attendees to basically what is called data science. What is this data science thingy? Demystify it, get them into hands-on into, analyzing data sets, creating charts, business visuals out of it. Basically, the art of storytelling. That's to set the context. Okay. Then we go a little deeper into the some of the core methods which are used in data science, as in the AI and the machine learning. We introduce them to some of these basic algorithms with some hands-on and use cases and apply them to some real data sets. And so they understand the power of these algorithms and what they can do. Now, the program, as Prakash said, it just goes then slightly into the elements of statistics, econometrics to give a more well-rounded view of the whole domain, and then going segueing into econometric methods and the macro and financial concepts, culminating with time series and concepts of finance. So the idea is of the whole program is not to just introduce people to what is data science and AI, but the whole, the package of statistics, econometrics, data science, how it's all correlated right today. Right today, for example, if you really want to be out there successful, you can't just be a math guy, you just can't be a programmer guy. You have to know that if I am building a model for a certain company, there has to be a business aspect to it, there has to be a ROI aspect to it, there has to be a demand aspect as to why the business has this problem in the first place. So if someone understands the economics of demand, someone understands the ROI of finance, and then of course how you're going to apply it, all these components together have to be packaged in a way, and you have to apply to be really a successful practitioner of data science today. Pawan, could we head on to the next slide? So that's how we've designed a typical pedagogy here to showcase. It's not learning, learning, learning. It's building and learning and doing. So you've got the concepts there, you have the theory there, but with each theoretical component, you have something to do or something to build. So it could be engaged activities like puzzles and quizzes. It could be hands-on stuff. It could be build a dashboard. It could be demos and discussions, all of it based on what the topic is. So it's more packaged like a whole day of, DIY kind of thing with a little bit of guided theory by instructors, so that you really learn by building, not learn by listening to lectures. So that's how the days would be. And this would be typically done for all the 5 days, as we see, culminating with, of course, as Prakash said, in a project on day 6.